Hello guys, today I am going to a small hike, almost a kilometer, which is called Admirals Waterfall, which is in the Simonstown. So it's just not a hike actually, I just wanted to see how is the waterfall actually. You can see here, you have to be careful from baboons. You should not bring any food or drink beyond this point. And that's the board written. I'll just show you that. So it's written here, Admirals Waterfall Historic Path, and it's part of a national park. It's Cape Peninsula National Park. That's the way I need to walk. Wow, you can see the view from here. And I can see that's the corner where the big waterfall is there. I think that's the place where I need to go. Oh wow, it looks so beautiful from here. I'm really now excited to see the waterfall from the far. I need to go near, and it's really looks very nice. That's the best part of this. I hope you have liked this video. It's a short video. It's amazing here. It's always open during the winter season because this is the day where, this is the weather where the rainy season happens for Cape Town. So, and this is open during those days. So you can come in the winter season to enjoy this beautiful waterfall. You can even climb up to see more things there. But I have a problem with my knees, so I cannot climb right now. But people are going on the top. You can see there. So you can go there and you can enjoy more views that side. It's a short, crispy and really a beautiful place in Simonstown. Okay guys, don't forget to click subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Stay safe, enjoy your life. See you in the next video. Bye bye.